Previously on Lost. I mean, Slim and Soph. Although we were starting to feel pretty stuck with our outboard broken last week, we're fed up with the helicopters and the jet skis, so we're going to make a mad dash for Moreton Bay. I'm going to try and spot a dugong.
Oh my god, my god, my god, my god, my god. Oh my god!
Nice. Go to Goma!
This is Slim.
3 knots on the face, skipper!
I'm Soph, the skipper. Oh, and we have a fluffy crew member too, Chili. We live aboard our 1989 Duncanson 34. She may be vintage, but her glory days are far from over. We're taking her around Australia, exploring our beautiful Aussie backyard. We put new videos out every Monday, so subscribe. Come along with us. We've woken up at Tipplers, a small little inlet anchorage off South Stradbroke Island.
Anchoring in mud. It's good because you get really good holding, but it's such a mission getting the anchor up. We don't have one of those little seawater hose things, so you just like there, like get a couple meters up, get a bucket up, splash it. It's early. Anyway, we're off. We're going to Moreton Bay. We're doing stuff. We're on the move.
Moreton Bay, we have to weave our way about 25 miles through these back streets of the Gold Coast, which means motoring and motoring and more motoring. Not the most riveting trip, ladies and gentlemen, so excuse us while we bounce off Nakama's walls.
Hey, it's just steering with a little button. You're like, up, couple degrees that way. Living that auto helm life, really. That's pretty good. To all those people that say no coffee shops in the videos, thanks. Doing it.
These power lines have a clearance of 20.3 metres at the highest of tides.
Are we under it yet?
Oh my god, it's so scary. I actually don't know Nakama's mast height or air draft. I have just found out you can call it. Anyway, oh my god, my god, my god, my god. We know we can make it underneath as we aren't that tall, but looking at it from below, it looked like a very, very tight squeeze, so our breath was definitely held. Oh my god, my heart was actually
gets you every time. So Soph's down doing a bit of a lecture, and I'm dodging channel markers and rivs. Riviera, big motorboats, they're everywhere, trying to ruin our day. I was inhaled, so...
Scramble! Almost coming up along North Stradbroke Island. Should probably look at the wind to see where we're going to anchor tonight. I'll do that after my eggs. Simon had to jump in the tender to catch the f***ing drone!
We got it!
Oh my god!
Oh.
We were like trying to land it on the foredeck where the hatch is, and it wouldn't go forward. It was just flying it off the side. I was like, come on, it won't go forward. What the f? We don't know how to turn off obstacle avoidance. This is like a new drone. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try and hop in the dinghy. Had no idea if that was gonna work. Whoo, my heartbeat. I've got sweaty armpits. That was the most terrifying thing. I was like, oh, this is going so well. The first time doing this, because we've been way too chicken to do it. So after almost crashing our second drone, we were pleased to see that it was northerly. So we're gonna head to Peel Island tonight.
Yo, well, we've rocked up. It's good to be back. We're at Peel, the old stomping ground. I'm gonna drop anchor in a second, so we should probably, anyway, I'll go get ready to do that. What are you doing? Someone left the cutlery drawer open again, did they? Should protect the cutlery drawer at all costs. nice.
I swear you could probably...
What? We're back in the bay! I like it here. It's like just, you get to sail to places without fear of death. It's nice. Look at it, everyone else is doing it. No wonder there's so many people, it's not so f***ing scary. It's nice. It's pleasant.
Headcam, are we?
Headcam on.
Oh dear God, I'm sorry folks if this is...
It's gonna be sick. Welcome to my world, bitches. No, welcome to my world, folks. Bitches. Sounds better with bitches.
Good morning. We are going into a marina today, into Brisbane, Manly. Still at Peel, going from Peel to Brisbane. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, we're gonna get going.
Alright, we've got this down to a fine science. On 7, 1, 2, 7, go. On 3, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, there's so much water in it. Back on 3. Up. Over. We've done well. If anyone could have seen what I was doing to get that shot. That gets me head flopping.
There was like a little rain squall. I mean like a shower.
Yeah, it was not a squall.
It was a shower, and as it came over there was a bit of breeze, but that rain just like, I swear, got rid of everything. I get nervous overtaking people because normally we're the ones that get overtaken and I don't have to worry about it, but when we're the ones overtaking, I'm like, oh shit, I have to watch out, you know what I mean? We never overtake people, probably because, yeah, we're motor sailing and they're not. We're cheats, I know.
I've been banished. I'm moving out into the big old blue. Soph gave me some lifelines. She was nice enough to...
Wait, you can live out there now.
Yeah, she was nice enough to do that. I don't want to go in. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. What can I do? I'm like hanging onto my reins. It's my chariot. Go to go. Different back here. A whole new Nakama. A whole new view.
How many knots are we doing?
3 knots on the face, skipper. This is what you have to do when you don't have a speed log. I'm inspired her.
It is like you're riding a horse.
This little guy's gone in the bag. We do this for you because we love you and we're going to upload your video right now. But there's no reception, so I'm going to send this little dude up the mast. I wound it the wrong way. Every time I'm talking to you guys, like chop our shower head in half. I do everything wrong. You're distracting. You good looking roosters.
You get nervous.
No, I just get distracted. There's a difference. We're actually going to be lazy and we don't want to send it up on a halyard because... Yeah, anyway. I'm just going to clip it onto this little thing. Seriously, just a little bit of elevation helps.
This is when Sophie gets really nervous. I want to throw up. The last little bit I literally have to deep breathe, really like try and concentrate on my deep breathing. man.
Back at the East Coast.
We've come full circle.
That's it, full circle.
If you guys didn't know, this is where we took off, going north. So we've come full circle. We're back here.
Is that why we're here?
Yeah, we've just swapped one.
Chili will know this boat. This is Chili's favourite boat to chill on.
Oh yeah, because we were next to this boat, so we were in there and they were over one, and Chili loved this boat here. We're very sorry if this is your boat.
Yeah,
she loves going underneath their like covers and stuff.
And everything. Oh, she's gonna be stoked.
Let's get some chores happening. Got to clean the dinghy, got to clean the decks, got to clean the inside of the boat. Got to get our washing all together. We've got to have a shower. It's been a couple of weeks since we've had a shower. Should I have told you that?
Hey! How's it going? if you're in the mood. How you going, mate? Yeah, good. Good to see you. How's your trip? Yeah, it was pretty... Yeah, we're just going to hose it down. After a brief catch-up with old neighbours, we get cracking into some boat jobs. We've been in some pretty muddy and murky waters for almost a month now, and like us, Nakama needs a bit of a scrub job. Looks like a new boat.
We actually won't be staying on the boat the next couple of nights. We are packing up washing, cats and dinghies to throw into Mum's car to get home. I hope Chili doesn't run away. Chili knows this. Whenever we get it out, she knows that something's going on. So I'm trying to do it really quietly. So she doesn't run away into a crevice somewhere.
See you, mate. See you soon. Right, everything in?
Everything in.
Now?
No,
Now we do the...
What?
No. I've been wanting to do a clutch transition my whole life.
See your dirty undies.
it worked well to snag a lift with Mum as she was already up here teaching on the bay over the weekend. Chili, are you okay? I know. I know, it's scary.
We're heading home, about a 2-hour drive south of here, in an effort to see family and friends, as we're not sure with our current travel plans when we might next get the chance to do so.
Jara. The match.
This looks like a good spot for it. Yeah, people are always telling us how to sail. I wonder if we'll get any comments like, "You don't hang up your shirts like that." Stab.
We've got about 5 more rounds of that to go. This is batch number 1.
We got to be strategic. Oh, my face went away. We've got to be strategic about the washing up here because it's all on like solar, so can't run it in the night time. So it's like we're like, all right, sun's out, let's go, let's go.
This is like up here. It's the closest you can get to living on a boat, but in a house, right?
Pretty much, yeah. The wind picked up last night, and I full went, oh, like I was getting, I don't know, my body got ready for like the boat to swing or something like that, and I was like, oh, we're in bed. Like it's not moving. It was really cool just like listening to all the wind in the trees, and like the wind was proper getting up, but you just like, nothing happens. It was kind of, I don't know. It was interesting. It was fun. I liked it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Join us next week as we show you our hometown. We've got relishes before heading back to the boat to get stuck into some boat jobs. So satisfying. We will see you then.